if you're a Shopify store owner in 2022, here's how you can get your first Shopify sale without Facebook ads, without spending a dime on Google ads, TikTok, even posting organically, okay? I actually have a couple of friends in the space who do this, and it actually requires, no ad spend at all. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and let's hop into this quick little trick.
Hey, my name is Jason Wojo. Welcome to my channel. I run a multiple seven-figure agency. For the past 4 years, I've helped generate me and my clients over $75 million, and I've been featured in Entrepreneur Magazine and New York Weekly's 30 Under 30. This channel is for business owners looking to scale their business with paid ads, systems, creating more resistible offers, and ultimately making more money. So make sure you subscribe, and I hope you guys enjoy the video.
So right now, if you look at, how much attention costs, we could see ad costs, we can see, maybe some SEO, which is search engine optimization, which is, getting blog posts and doing backlinks and trying to get your keywords to rank high. You could look at Google ads, you could look at, Facebook, IG, YouTube, right? But there's actually a really big blue ocean, and it's TikTok organic. So TikTok allows you to just get a lot more reach for your posts. We could spend all day posting organically on Instagram, Facebook, and spending all of that time doing, these little micro posts, hitting the right hashtags that we think are going to make us money or get us organic followers and, people in our ecosystem, but it's completely false. It's just way too hard right now to grow organically. So instead, what you want to do is you want to find TikTok influencers who are, kind of your ideal avatar, who have a good following, and that you could ship your product to, and they're really underpriced right now. So TikTok influencers, I have some of my friends right now getting someone to make a video, make a post, and they're posting it to their followers with 100,000, 200,000, 300,000 followers, and they're only charging $100, $125 for that post. And if you hit the right demographic, it's a lot cheaper than ads, because if you, for example, right, you have a $50 product and you're going to spend $120 on ads, you might get 3 to 4 purchases, the highest, with that $120. Because in the beginning, you're trying to nurture an ad account. You're not going to get results very, very quickly like you would with a aged ad account that has a ton of data. So if you go to a TikTok influencer, you make a video, you pay them $120, they post it, that post is also going to stay up for 24 hours, 48 hours. And that will tend to get you a couple of thousand visitors, because their audience, like the person that they're following, is backing it up. It's kind of like, for example, if I was paid to make a video about an SEO company, I'd be like, hey, if you run an agency and you're looking for another service to branch off on and make more money, just pitch your clients SEO and use this agency to do your SEO for you and white label it. You don't do any work. It's all done for you, hands off. Like, it's all on autopilot. Like, that would be a good offer for me to push, because most of my audience are agency owners or business owners looking to grow their business, looking for new tactics and tricks. So find somebody who has a very congruent ideal avatar or has that audience that you're looking for. So obviously, right, if you're selling a product for men, you're not really going to go find a female influencer. That's not crazy congruent, because most of the female influencers, most of their followers are females. So you want to also break down age groups, what age groups are more willing to buy your product, and then find the right influencers to do so. And this, like I said, requires no ad spend, requires no really heavy lifting or high ticket products or services that you have to really invest in. So it's the quickest way to get your first Shopify sale, is just simply finding a TikTok influencer, paying them, getting a video, and then having them post it to their followers. Now, here's the other piece of the puzzle, is that if you take that video that person makes, you could then take that piece of content, which is what we call UGC, user-generated content. It's basically just social proof, testimonial, plus a video ad all in one. And you can use that content now and run it on TikTok ads, run it on Facebook, and run it on Instagram stories or Instagram reels, and you can have ad content made. So not only are you getting traffic with influencers, but you're also getting content that's made for you. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.
Hey, my name is Jason Wojo. Welcome to my channel. I run a multiple seven-figure agency. For the past 4 years, I've helped generate me and my clients over $75 million, and I've been featured in Entrepreneur Magazine and New York Weekly's 30 Under